Premier Bankcard, one of the largest credit card companies in the United States, serves customers who want to develop better credit habits. Like all credit card companies, Premier must contend with recent federal regulations that impact fee revenue in the first year. But Premier also faces a unique challenge: finding those customers who can handle a card responsibly but are in need of some time to establish a good credit rating.
We needed to really get down and look at our customer and the behaviors of our customer base as it relates to what do the models tell us about payment behaviors, about, we don't look real heavily at the buying behaviors, but it's more about paying their bill and how our fee structures are there to help in that behavioral analysis. So we have to do a better job of identifying the consumers that fit our credit model best without experiencing the loss that would exceed that revenue that we have been regulated to.
Premier turned to SAS for help in developing their own internal scoring models customized for Premier's unique business needs.
We've gone from monthly reporting on our testing processes with products and things like that to doing that weekly reviews with senior management teams. So it's become more and more important for us to be able to turn our analytics on a dime, so to speak. And SAS has been able to support that type of, I'd say, flexibility in our analytics. We've been able to take our data and run it through and create the reports we need that we can distribute effectively and then put in a presentation format so that we can review that with senior management and address strategy and planning with regards to not only our customer base who we're marketing to, but what products we're going to offer.
With SAS, Premier can make informed decisions about the company's customer relationship strategy.
And not only are we refining and tightening our specifics centered around picking the right customer and then carrying those through and building that relationship, but taking it beyond the first year and looking at, well, since the government's regulating that so strictly on the front end, we need to make sure we look at the long-term relationship with the customer more closely as well. So we're exploring the analytics that tell us about our future relationship, the customers that stick with us for a while because of loyalty, because they appreciate what our credit card has done for them when they were down and out. Analytics are helping us do that and understand exactly where we need to make adjustments in our business model, in our operational areas, in our strategic planning, so that we can make sure we leverage the long-term relationship with the customer equally as important as the acquisition process associated and built around getting a customer relationship started.
With SAS predictive analytics, Premier has a better understanding of its customers and their data, lifting revenue by more than $50 million a year.
We have elevated the confidence of the senior management team and the other analysts on the teams with the SAS tools that we have. I mean, when we can be in a senior management meeting, one of these planning strategy meetings, and we're sitting there and someone proposes a new idea or suggestion about what we could do with a product or something from a strategy standpoint, it's come to the point where even the CEO will turn to the analytics team and say, have we run the analytics on that yet?
With such powerful results in mind, Premier expects to find even more productive ways to use the power of SAS.
We're seeing the ability to distribute information to the management team through SAS tools to be quite effective. And I think we should be able to leverage effectively the acquisition of some additional tools in relationship to that. We'd like to exploit some more of the forecasting tools that SAS has, as well as model management and customer intelligence.
Rex Pruitt sees tremendous value in the relationship between Premier Bankcard and SAS.
I think it's really about where you set your standards, where you set your goals, how you focus the positive outlook on things, And I am just a believer since the first time I wrote a line of code in SAS that it truly is an optimal tool and venue to use in the analytic arena.